Hey friends, if you wish to set VLC Media Player as the default media player on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. And Windows VLC Media Player is an excellent option as the default media player on your Windows computer. So here's what you have to do. Right click on any file of that specific file type. This is the easiest method. I'll show you the other one too. Right click on it, select open with, select choose another app, select VLC Media Player, select always. Okay, now all file types of that format, for example in this case it was MP4, will open with the VLC player. So the other and the official method is as follows. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the apps tab on the list on the left hand side and select default apps in the right pane. Now scroll down to the VLC player, click on it. You'll find a lot of other options, like a lot of other formats. You can check that the default media player could be different for them. You can simply click on that and select VLC as the default media player for those formats. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.